Walking or running? People argue about this all the time. But which one actually burns more fat?
Most beginners assume running is the only answer. Faster movement, more sweat, more fat loss, right? Fat loss, right? Fat loss doesn't work on speed alone. It works on how long you can stay consistent. And that changes everything, So let's compare walking and running in a real, simple, beginner-friendly way. No hype, just facts.
Walking burns fat at a steady pace. Your body stays comfortable and controlled. That matters more than people think. When you walk, your heart rate stays lower. That helps your body use fat as fuel, especially for beginners. That's why walking feels easier to repeat. You don't feel destroyed after one session. You're ready again tomorrow. Running definitely burns more calories faster. Your body works harder in less time. No doubt about that. But higher intensity comes with higher stress. Your joints, muscles, and energy all take a hit. That's the trade-off. For beginners, that stress adds up quickly. Missed days turn into missed weeks, and progress slows down. Fat loss only works if you keep showing up. One intense workout doesn't beat 5 consistent ones. That's where walking really shines. Low pressure, low risk, high consistency. Perfect for beginners. No joint pain. No extreme fatigue. Just steady daily movement.
Running works best when your body is ready. Not forced, not rushed. Controlled and smart. Short runs can boost fat loss, especially when mixed with walking. Balance is the key. Most beginners quit because workouts feel too hard. Not because they don't care, but because it's not sustainable. Walking keeps you moving without burnout, and burnout kills motivation faster than anything. That's the truth.
Fat burns when your body stays active long enough, not when it's exhausted in 10 minutes. Duration matters. So walking or running, which one burns more fat overall? Here's the real answer.
The best option is the one you can stick with. Not the hardest, not the fastest. If you're new to fitness, walking is powerful, simple, effective, and underestimated. If you're more conditioned, running adds intensity. Just keep it controlled, not extreme. Mixing walking and running works incredibly well. It keeps fat burning high without burning you out.
Fat loss isn't about punishment. It's about momentum and smart choices. Small effort done daily beats extreme effort done once. Every time. That's how real transformations start. Quiet, consistent, unstoppable. You don't need perfection. You just need movement that fits your life. When your routine feels doable, results follow naturally. No force required. Walking isn't weak. It's strategic. And it works. Running isn't magic. It's just a tool. Use it wisely. Running isn't magic. It's just a tool. Use it wisely.
Smart training always beats hard training when fat loss is the goal. Always.
The goal isn't exhaustion. The goal is progress you can repeat. Start where you are today, not where you think you should be. That's freedom. Build the habit first. Fat loss follows habits, not motivation. Then slowly add intensity. At your pace. On your terms.
Walking or running, both work when done right.
You're not behind. You're just starting. And that's powerful.
The difference is consistency. That's the real secret nobody talks about.
Choose what keeps you moving tomorrow, not what destroys you today.
Walking or running, just stay consistent. That's how fat burns.